Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, January 27th. We have no news today. It's a no news Monday. Um, so it's a no news Monday, and which is already not the greatest. And also, overnight, we fell about 1,000 points. So market conditions today might not be the greatest. Look at this daily candle compared to the rest. Ouch. Man, this one was fucking huge too, though. This one on Wednesday, December 18th. I wonder why was that so fucking big. Anyway, uh, shit, man. If I was trading on an Express account with it being a no news Monday and with, price selling off so fucking much overnight, I wouldn't really look to take a trade. I mean, of course, I would still look at the market. And if I see a nice setup, I would take it. Maybe just with less risk. But since I'm on a combine, I'm still like looking to trade. But um, if price action is just kind of sideways, then obviously I'm not. Um. So yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I want a short. I mean, I don't know how you would want a long after just selling off so much. But I don't know. I have to go to class, so I won't be able to do videos like as I'm taking the trade. But just wanted to come on and give my thoughts. You should not really be trading right now, but I mean because I'm trying to pass the combine, I will. But yeah. I mean, there's really nothing to call out. I mean, we just fucking fell for the whole night. We might come up a decent amount, but we got to see what price wants to do in the open. Hmm. Maybe you could catch some longs up into like these these 4 hour, this 4 hour area. But who knows? I'm gonna see you guys probably when I come back from school. Grade. Um, I'll do that because when I come back, it'll be probably like 1 o'clock. And if I haven't taken a trade, I could look for something in the PM. But I'll be able to like record that. Yeah. So if I take a trade and during school, when I come back, I'll explain that. But if not, then I'll see you guys later. I just want to check something. Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday's FOMC federal funds rate. Wednesday will be fun. Thursday, Friday look good. I have shit that I don't care about. This is just on it for. Gee, this is a lot. Monday, no news. Tuesday, you're good. Wednesday will be a little crazy. Thursday, Friday, good. All right. Anyway, Jesus, Saturday's February 1st. All right, I'm gonna see you guys when I come back from school. Buddy, good morning. Or whoa, fuck. Reassess. Good afternoon. Uh, it's 2 o'clock. 2:10. I did not take any trades when I was at school. I was looking. I mean, you guys can't even fucking see the screen. I was, that's good. I was looking. We market opened. We fucking came up. How many points? This is like 100 something points. Yeah. 100 some points, bullshit price action. Now, here, I'm pointing this out because I wanted to long here. We had an SMT. Am I talking a lot? I feel like I am. We had an SMT. A change in the state was up here. Right, so we had SMT changing the state. We swept out all these little lows in the 1 minute. But where the fuck is price? So we had all of that, and we also inversed this fair value gap. There was a 3 minute and a 2 minute here. We inversed it. Was there a five? I don't think there was a five. No. But so we had a 3 minute inverse and a 2 minute, and like a little 1 minute one. Okay, so I was like, perfect, perfect, perfect. Now we inversed it by 20 points. My rule is if it's more than a 10-point inverse, I have to wait for it to get tapped into, or um, or a fair value gap. And I saw this fair value gap open up, and I was hoping price came, within this fair value gap or within the inverse, and I would have entered. And the risk to reward was actually pretty fucking nice if you entered off this 1 minute fair value gap. And it's also nice because the change of state's also above here, so this is technically like an order block. So this was looking really good for longs. First TP, honestly, you could have done here for 50 points, but my main draws on liquidity were higher, and they ended up getting hit. But the only problem is it never hit this fucking fair value. If you look on the 2 minute, we inversed it, nowhere near it. If you look on the 3 minute, we inversed it, had no fair value gap. And I was hoping price would trade within this fair value gap, but it's technically a balanced price range. So I mean, I understand why price didn't, but at the same time, I'm not comfortable taking a 20-point inverse because your stop would be something like that, and that's a huge stop. 35 points. If I go in that with 10 clients, that's a $700 loss. I don't know. It wasn't like it was bad, but the trade was so beautiful, which is why I'm like upset about it. And then after, I really like. There's really not much else here. I'm gonna be honest. We came up, consolidate, manipulation down. Beautiful long setup up. I just wish we had a fair value gap getting tapped into for me to enter. But we didn't, so I didn't take this. Came up, and I was in my first class, and I was like, you motherfucker. Anyway, we came kind of down with, I don't want to say no, reason, but no really entry. If you just trade off the value gaps, I mean, you had this one. I would have entered around there. Stops probably at this high. You would have been stopped out. So, but we just came down, consolidated. Now we're just consolidating like a motherfucker. It's 2 o'clock. I haven't taken the trade yet. And with the way price is moving right now, I I honestly shouldn't. I mean, if we just keep moving like this, I'm not. But I'm gonna sit here and watch price and see what we do. But today, it might not be a trading day for me, which kind of sucks because I want to pass this funded as quick as possible. But I mean, when market conditions are kind of funky, what are you gonna do? I really wish I took this fucking. So nice, fucking great momentum. We had a great momentum inversing these for value gaps. I just wanted to fucking fair value gap. I want to see, did we get a 30-second one? This was the initial come up. This was the come down. This was the entry. Oh, and we did. Could have taken this on the 30-second. I mean, your stop loss still would be 30 fucking points. But there was a fair value gap. Damn. All right. I mean, I'm not. I mean, I'm upset because that would have been like over $1,500. You know, but what are you gonna do? I stuck to my rules. I do like that inverse because if we inverse the fair value gap by 20 points, you can be in some serious drawdown that I would not be comfortable with. I don't want to. I don't want to be in a position where my stop loss is more than like 20 points, like 25. I don't want to risk more than like 25 points, like because at that point, even with five cons, that's oh, it's only 250. I don't know. I just wasn't comfortable risking that much, so I wanted to wait for a fair value gap to give me a better risk to reward, and we never got that. I'm gonna be honest. Besides that long, there was no other trade that I would like that I would have taken. So, like, look at price up, consolidate, manipulation, back up, and now we're just kind of we move down, and then we're just consolidating. If you look at like the hour time frame, kind of funky. Actually, the hour's kind of clean. 15 minutes kind of funky. So is the five. Anyway, so I'm gonna see you guys probably. If I don't see you guys again, then that means I didn't take another trade. But if I see you again, then I'm gonna explain the trade that I took. But tomorrow, if I don't see you again, tomorrow is a pretty good day to trade. I'll be home. I have no class. We have news at 10 o'clock. You could look for a true. I was gonna say look for a trade in pre-market like 8:30 to 10. But I'm probably just gonna wait. It's only consumer confidence too. I don't mind entering a position before 10 o'clock as long as it's in a good position. Like say I entered a position, I'm in longs and I entered fucking right here or whatever. I have my stop loss wherever. And like we are like 20, 30 points in profit. But even though it's like 70. But like depending upon the position and type of trade, I don't mind being in a position before 10 o'clock. I just gotta be careful. Um and then Wednesday, do I have class? I have class on Wednesday. So I'm gonna see you guys. If I don't see you guys again, I'll see you tomorrow. And if I do, then I'll see you later. I really should take a trade though. Like if I was on an Express account, I would not trade. I'm on a challenge account. I want to see if I can get a little piece of the pie. Anyway, I'm gonna see you guys later.